Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I haven't watched my face yet. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What is that? Merry Christmas, she said. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from the construction house. As you can see, everything is covered in plastic bags because this whole door got ripped out and replaced, and this thing's got to get filled in now, and got a whole new front door.
New French, black one.
Many constructions happening around the house. There's work happening here on Christmas. And I will be working too in about 5 minutes. It's cats.
Look at her.
Yes, it is Christmas Day, but it is not an official holiday here in Thailand, so I have to work.
I do.
And she's working with the house construction. Lil Scrampy has been the interior design manager and general contractor for all kinds of construction that's been happening on this house over the past week.
I just want to talk to.
Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Where's my gift? Oh, the house construction is my gift. So as you're gonna see, the house is a mess. There are workers all up and in and on the house. And then I'm gonna be working inside the house. So I gotta get to work. Work, it's time to work. On Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Workmas.
Welcome to the reality. On Christmas.
Yeah, adulting is so fun.
Love you. Love you.
Heading out from the construction site. Gonna go work out on this glorious Christmas morning. So, Merry Christmas. I have to work today because Christmas is not an official holiday in Thailand. I work doing cybersecurity for a French company. So the headquarters is in France. All of my French colleagues have a holiday today, but I am based in the Bangkok office, so it is not a holiday for me. So I have to work today. I already did some work earlier this morning. Christmas, obviously they have Christmas decorations and stuff up at the malls here. There's a place called Chocolateville that we went to the other night where they have a big Christmas festivity, bunch of Christmas festivities and people taking lots of pictures for the gram. But yeah, it's not an official holiday here. This is the most Buddhist country in the world by percentage of the population, I believe. Either the first or second. So, today I will be working, doing some of my cybersecurity engineering. However, I'm taking a little break now to go do a little workout. The house is under lots of construction. And yeah, this coming week we are going to Hanoi, Vietnam for the new year. Excited about that. It's actually not hot the past few days here in Thailand before Christmas here, which is nice. Last December, January was exceptionally hot. It was record heat here in Thailand. So it's been a nice change here during this cool season, if you could even call it that. But yeah, pretty nice weather. And the pollution's not that bad. It's not as bad as it was last season during this time. But yeah, I have to admit, got some construction going on out here too in the neighborhood. I have to admit, I do miss the Christmas vibes from back home in the US. Obviously it's hard to feel the same vibes once you become an adult, so. But then even more so living over here in Thailand, it's, you know, Christmas is not an official holiday here. It's just kind of a commercial shopping holiday, or a picture taking holiday, if you will. And I definitely miss the Christmas vibes from back home. However, we just went to France. I went to Paris on a business trip for work. Those videos haven't come out yet. You'll see them in a week or so. But I felt the Christmas vibes over there for sure, because it was cold and snowing a couple of the days. So that was nice. Got to get some of the Christmas vibes. All right, I'm gonna hit this workout and then go back home and do some more work. There's a tiny little gym here in my neighborhood. It's hardly sufficient for much of anything, but it's better than no workout at all, because we can't really go to the gym since there's a bunch of workers and construction happening inside the house. All right, it's a nice little workout. Now I gotta go eat lunch and do some more work. Bugs. All right, so I got several major New Year's, I guess New Year's resolutions, but I'd like to think of them more as goals and objectives for 2025. Want to keep building muscle, but I want to lose some fat, so I'm gonna go on a whole foods diet and eat healthier. Intersperse that with some keto, most likely. Also, I want to commit further to this YouTube channel and crush the YouTube stuff. Upload at least one video a week, which is more that I've been doing. Furthermore, I want to get my morning routine on point. Do meditation every day, exercise every day, start doing yoga. Let me know if you got New Year's resolutions or what your goals are for 2025. Throw it in the comments below. I'm pretty set with everything when it comes to the law of attraction and goal setting. However, there is this one thing that I'm still not sure about, because some people say that you shouldn't share your goals with other people at all. You should just keep it to yourself. And then there's another philosophy, which is that you should speak it into existence. So I'm not really sure on this, but I guess I'm sharing it with you now. So I'm speaking it into existence. Trying to crush this YouTube in 2025. Start actually getting monetized and making some money from it. So this whole room is new. This used to be just wasted space that wasn't closed in, so we closed it in and turned it into a room. So they built these walls that you see right here. So this is just gonna be storage, but it'll free up a bunch of space inside the house. It seems way bigger than I imagined that it would be. Like, we'll be able to fit a lot of stuff out there.
Like the suitcase, all the suitcase can fit in here, and then put all the winter clothes in the box, and then put it in.
What'd he go up? So this is where the front door used to be, right here. And we expanded it out and put the new front doors here. Now this used to be a window, and they're closing it up. Now we're doing glass tinting. Glass tinting work. Tint that glass. West Side! West Side!
Yeah, I think it looks cool, especially in the afternoon.
Thank you.
No. I don't have power. Like suck you and you got only bone left.
So, Merry Christmas to all of my friends and family back in the US and to you who are watching. But definitely miss my old friends and family back in America. I have my new family here and we're chilling, which is nice. But, you know, the US is very far. It's the other side of the planet from Thailand. So it takes a lot of money and a lot of time to get back there. The expats that are here from Australia, it's not so far for them to go back home for the holidays, but going back to the US is quite a trek. So other plans for 2025, Japan is definitely in the cards, possibly Philippines, also some other places in Thailand. I really want to go to some more remote islands in Thailand because we've hit the big beaches, Pattaya, of course, Phuket. Still haven't been to Krabi yet, so I want to go there, and then some even more remote islands. I want to see those crystal clear blue waters, so look out for that. What else? I'm gonna be leveling up the YouTube, uploading consistently every week. Gonna be leveling up my fitness game. Gonna be leveling up my diet for sure, as I mentioned. What else?
You kids ready to level up? You ready to level up, Cleo? Cleo's ready to level up. Let's go. Level up, level up, level up. This is Cleopatra. She's coming at ya. She's gonna get ya. She's gonna whack ya. She's gonna attack ya.
I might get a new MacBook this coming year. The M4 MacBook Pros are beasts. So I might start doing more of my video editing again. This video I'm filming on my phone and just uploading today. Shit, I had yogurt in my beard. But yeah, this video I'm filming on my phone and just whipping together with iMovie to upload quickly so you see it on Christmas. But yeah, I might get a new MacBook Pro, which is a big investment, but they're just sick and powerful. So I might start doing more of my video editing again. I've been paying for video editing, so for the price that I'm paying, I could pay for the laptop itself after a year or so. It just takes time, but hopefully if I have a machine that powerful, I can edit much more quickly than I was trying to before at the beginning of this channel. All right, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon. I'll be uploading videos every day this week. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, and I'll see you very soon.